My favorite products, all in my hand. You guys don't know what I went through to get them in my hand like this. Oh Lord, how am I gonna get them out now? Ooh. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. The secret stash. Finally sharing with you guys. Hi loves and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Leann, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back. So today guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some of my favorite products and tools to use to style my Pixie and how I maintain it, washing it. You know, I just came from doing a video of washing it and this is how it came out and I love it. So I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the products that I love using on my hair and that have worked for me. Right now, I don't have any that didn't work for me, that I didn't really like. And some of the products I don't have on hand, but I'm gonna insert like a clip of how the product looks for you guys to go check it out. So enough of me talking, guys. Let's get right into this video. So the first product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is I was recently sent these products to review and I'm totally in love with them. It's the Kaleidoscope Hair Studio products. I got the therapeutic shampoo and the therapeutic conditioner to go along with it. So if you haven't seen the video for these, I'm gonna link it above for you guys to go and check out. And I also have the leave-in conditioner, which is, well, it's a leave-in detangler spray, which is called Milkshake. After I just come from washing and using conditioner, I'll spray that in my hair. And then I love the Miracle Drops as well, guys. These has really been helping, especially with me. I've been putting it like in my hair line to the front and I have seen some more hair growing in there. And my husband has also been using it in his beard, guys, and he has seen more facial hair coming in by using this product. Also, I love using their Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges to get my edges right. I have used some right here. It lasts throughout the day, I will say that, and I just love it. Like, I think it has a nice smell. It smells like, I want to say Jello. It smells like something I smelled before, but I can't bring the name. Like a gelatin kind of smell. It smells like candy, like. It smells good though. And the Miracle Drops also smell good too. And these shampoo and conditioner, they contain peppermint, guys. So when you wash your hair, you're gonna have that little tingly feeling. And I love that. Peppermint is good for like blood flow through your scalp and everything like that. But I left everything about these in my previous video, so go and check that video out. Okay, so moving on. My next favorite thing to use is the Design Essentials shampoo and conditioner. This is the almond butter conditioner that I have. The shampoo is finished. I got these from my stylist. I buy my shampoo and conditioners from her, and I bought this one to try it out, and I love this one as well. It leaves my hair feeling nice and soft. I have to go buy some more because I love how it makes my hair feel. And yeah, that's basically it with this one. I love washing my hair with this. I also have a video that I did with this shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna leave it linked up above for you guys to go check out. And I'm gonna leave a picture of the shampoo to show you guys because I don't have the shampoo on hand. I only have the conditioner. Okay, so moving on. I'm gonna save the best for last. I think I don't know what the best is, but I will save the best for last. So my next thing to use in terms of like shampoo and conditioners is the Sheer Moisture. And this one is the Restorative Conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil, and I also like to use the shampoo that goes along with it. It comes like the shampoo them done quicker than the conditioner because I have mostly conditioners. Like, what the heck? But I like Sheer Moisture. I've been using them that year. I was going natural or trying to go natural. Like, that's a lot of work because I have a lot of hair. This is what I used to use, and I still continue to use it even on my relaxed hair, and it works very good. It's also sulfate free and color safe, so it's good for folks that have rinses or permanent colors in their hair. And also to go along with that, I also like to use their strengthening mask. This one is the Anti-Breakage strengthening mask with baobab, I think I'm saying that right, baobab oil and cilantro extract. It's for like frizzy and breaking hair. I try to use all the products of the same brand together. I don't mix and match them, so I try to use them together which is the best thing to do. So after I shampoo and condition with the Shea Moisture, restore with the Shea Moisture with the raw shea butter, I'll go in with the anti-breaking strengthening mask. And I usually use this hair like when I feel like my hair needs some moisture, I'll use this mask. It smells nice too. It smells like a soap, like when you just bathe. So I'm also gonna insert a picture of the shampoo so you guys can see, because I don't have the shampoo on hand because it looked like we to kill shampoo in this house. My husband also uses these guys, and let me tell you, these are my specialty shampoo and conditioners, and I hate when he to use them. Like, I'd be like, really? You know that's my specialty, you know, but you still want to use them. I feel like I need to go buy him some Tresemme or something. Like, come on, you can't be using my special. That's being selfish, but he still use them anyways. But I just give him the side eye, like, and he especially loves the kaleidoscope one. He always killing this hair. So hats off to Kaleidoscope for making such a great product. My next set of shampoo and conditioner I like to use. Damn, I have a lot of shampoo and conditioners. Like, oh my god, I didn't realize I have so much. It's the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. This one has sweet orange oil in it. This is the conditioner here, and then this is the creamy aloe shampoo. I just washed my hair with these. I love these. I've been an ORS girl from long. Even before all these come into the picture, we used to use ORS straight shampoo and conditioner. I've been an ORS girl from long. And I also like to use the ORS hair mayonnaise. I don't know if I know this, but you also can use real mayonnaise in your hair along with egg. Like a protein, I think you use it for. My mother used to use mayonnaise in her hair to like stop breakage and strengthen it back in the day, you know. But ORS has a hair mayonnaise that you can also use, and it smells really good. Ooh, lad, can't tell on my face. It smells good. Like, I have like little what you have in here? It says it's enriched with olive oil, egg protein, herbs, and wheat germ oil. If you look inside, you can see like the little herbs in there. So yeah, I haven't used this in a while, but this is one of my favorite products to use along with the ORS shampoo and conditioner. So like I tell you, I'll try to use the same brand together, like the same brand together. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, I don't mix and match. I wouldn't pull this conditioner with this shampoo. No. That's not, no. Same thing like with skincare. I don't try to mix and match. I don't mix and match skincare brands with each other. I use one set brand of a product. Even if I using it, like, say I wash my hair with these, and then say in the next 2 weeks, I might go to the Kaleidoscope and use that whole set. I don't mix and match between the two. My next favorite product, the Cream of Nature with argan oil. They have a pudding. I use this in my Heatless Curls Pixie cut tutorial where I do the top and I use the pudding to hold the curls, and it worked really good. I like Cream of Nature too. I know they have a wrapping foam and lotion. I'm gonna go buy it, guys. I'm gonna go buy it and try it. Okay? I promise I'm gonna go buy it and try it. Argan oil, Cream of Nature. And it smells really nice. Like, I remember when I was doing my hair with it, it smelled really nice. Mine's all still full, but it's good for when you want to do like flexi rods, like how I did in the video, or like perm rods, just to keep the curls, you know, tight and together. This is also good. Like, I think my husband used to use this in. He would use this on his hair, like for his waves and stuff. Yeah, when he run out of wave grease, he'd use it. So, coming down to the last final products. My next product is going to be some hairspray. And this is a BTZ Beyond the Zone Rock On Flexible Hold Hairspray. So I usually use this, like when I first cut my hair, and I did the faux hawk Pixie, I asked my stylist why I could use to like hold the curls, because I don't want to use pump it up because I'm gonna make it too hard. So she would use a freezing spray. So I went on and found a freezing spray in Sally's, and this hair, I don't even know if they'll sell this hair anymore, because I think they'll stop selling it. But I have 2 of them, and I don't use it too often, only like if I want to freeze my curls. But right now I don't have no hairspray or anything in my hair, so unless it's like the faux hawk style, I will use this. And another shampoo and conditioner. Lord have mercy, I have a lot of shampoo and conditioner. I never noticed, you know. Wow. Okay, this is the last and final shampoo and conditioner. I swear. It's the Nairobi Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. And I only have the conditioner because obviously the shampoo is done. Like all these products that I just have one conditioner, like we're really going on. I mean, this bottle too small or something, you know, because I only have conditioner leave. Like what? Yeah, so I'm gonna insert a picture of the shampoo or how it looks. It looks just like this, but this, I love this. I will rank this first, then I will do Design Essentials second, and then I will do Kaleidoscope, and then ORS. That's how I rank my shampoos and conditioners. But I love this. I bought this for my stylist too. You guys know you can't get Nairobi on the streets, right? Like you're supposed to get it on the streets, you know. It's like you selling weed on the street. You're supposed to get Nairobi on the street. You're supposed to get it from a certified stylist, and the stylist that get it from a distributor. So if you see Nairobi in the stores and stuff, they can't really guarantee that's the real deal because you're supposed to buy it from a stylist. I just point out there if you guys didn't know. So I bought this from my stylist and I love it. Let me see how it smells. I never really smelled it. It smells good. It smells really good. It smells like a little candy kind of flavor. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm smelling this thing. Yeah. So my next favorite product to use, of course you guys know by now. Come on. Is my Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. This is my holy grail, guys. Like all my videos, like everything. Like I haven't found anything close enough to replace this as yet. But like I tell you, I'm gonna try the Cream of Nature one. I will go out and buy that one for sure. I know I've been promising to try something new, but it's hard. Like, you ever heard the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it? I don't know, but yeah, I love my Nairobi. I don't know, this is my favorite hair product of all time. Look, once you get some Nairobi on life, right? I'm telling you. And last but not least, for my favorite products, you guys already know, my coconut oil. And you can get this in the grocery stores, guys. Just regular coconut oil that I like to use to moisturize my hair after I done come out from underneath the dry and stuff. And throughout the week, or if it get dry, I'll go back in with some coconut oil and I like to put it in my hair. You can also use other oils too, but I don't know, I like coconut oil. So that's all with the products. Now I'm gonna go into my favorite tools to use when I do my hair. So number one tool, you have to have like a good flat iron. And this is my road dog right here, like my titanium. It is the Infinity Pro by Conair titanium 1-inch flat iron. I buy this when I was down in the US Virgin Islands in their Kmart, but Walmart also sells it too. And this is my road dog. She look a little beat up now, man. I just need to clean her off. She been with me through thick and thin. This gets really nice and hot, and I love that the titanium plates. It'll just get my hair nice and straight, and it goes all the way up to, their temperature is 30. I had to have it up all the way on 30, and I'll curl my hair with it. I'm thinking about going into the market to find a smaller flat iron, and I'm thinking about going with Red by Kiss because I have a Red by Kiss dryer. Hello. I'm gonna put a picture of the Red by Kiss dryer because that's another one of my favorite products to use. Speaking about it, but I had a dryer I buy from Walmart, and I had it for a couple years. I had it even before I cut my hair, so that was like 5-6 years ago. I had this dryer, and Walmart still has it because I started in there a couple weeks ago. My next favorite tools is my big teeth comb and my rat tail comb. You're gonna need these when you have short hair and you want to do your mold and your styling. So these combs probably about 50 cents or $1 in the hair store, Walmart. I don't know. I think I get them from the hair store though. But yeah, these are must-have tools. And next, I also like to use these clips. I clip the back of my hair upwards, so when I'm ready to curl the back, I use these to clip my hair up. My other favorite tool to use is my blow dryer, the handheld blow dryer with the comb and the teeth. I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys could see because I'm too lazy to go for it right now. Yeah, so I have that blow dryers from I think that's a Leila Ali one. I had that as long as I had my hooded dryer. So yeah, that's about it. Those are my favorite products to use to style my pixie cut. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys go out and try some of the products that I use. If not all, some. Yeah, and yeah, just if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Comment below also some of your favorite hair products to use, and comment below some of the hair products that you would like me to try out on my pixie, so I could give you guys the 401 on the scoop. I'll be the dummy and try it on my hair first before you guys go out and try it. Okay, I'll give it that. Okay, so I'm about to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for joining me. Once again, if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I do an upload, go ahead and click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified. So once again, you guys stay blessed, be safe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.